those days, guys. I'm at the farm. I'll show you. My chicken coop's over there, upside down. Chicken hen house is here with my chicks inside, fortunately. I've put food and water in there and closed the door for now. Hi, you can probably hear the wind howling. I'm stood where the Pick Arc used to be, and the wind has been so strong today. Picked it up and left it over there. So come down here a minute. I'm actually crouching inside the Pig Arc because of the wind. It's so strong you probably won't be able to hear me, but the pigs are up there feeding where the Pig Arc used to be. Black nasty, but let's try silver nasty instead. Okay, so it's extraordinarily windy, but I have brought the coop back into the fenced area. I have done a bodge job, tape on the tarpaulin until I can get a new one. I have put some stakes this side and screwed directly through the stakes into the chicken coop. On this side, it's up against these fence stakes and screwed into those also, and I've butted it right up against the windbreak so it will hopefully get slightly less wind. But as disasters go, it was not the worst one. The chickens were all in the little hen house I built them, and the chicken coop wasn't smashed to pieces and still works. I was able to drag it here on my own and put it back together. It's taken probably an hour or two, but it's fine. there. All 20 are uninjured. I think they seem to be hiding in their house because of the weather, which was probably a good thing, protected them. But yes, they're starting to come out and feed and drink, roam around in their new area. But they're just hiding strong. I think it kind of surprised them. But hopefully this will be secure for tonight, and I'll come back and rethink my whole mobile chicken run thing. Maybe they need some permanent housing, and the chicken runs will just be for days when I'm actually here, or really fair weather